Hey everybody, it's Jackson from Cascade Sciences. I'm here today to talk to you about a simple and affordable way to get real-time temperature data out of your CDO28. One thing that's really going to improve your SOPs is understanding your decarboxylation rate, which is a function of time over temperature. Wouldn't it be great if we had a real-time solution for that? Well, just so happens that we do. With this handheld device that's going to come with 6 different temperature probes, we are going to be able to measure the temperature inside of the bags of your biomass. So let me show you how this works. It's really simple. So once I pull out my bag, I can use one of 6 stainless steel probes to stick inside of my biomass. And now, regardless of the packing size or density, I'm going to be able to get real-time data out of this particular bag. Again, we provide you with 6, you can upgrade to 12. The advantage of 12 is I have one probe here. I can stick another probe onto the other side, further improving my overall temperature data in real time, improving my SOPs, saving me time and money. So now, when everything's closed, just by looking at this display, I've taken the guesswork out. Another couple nice features of this are the heavy-duty magnets and the XL formatted SD card. Really appreciate you for watching this video. I'm Jackson from Cascade Sciences. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.